Many of you might have visited the Chota Imambara in Lucknow, but you might not know that a glowing white horse is also its permanent resident. Zuljana, the symbolic horse of Imam Hussain, is especially bred and nurtured in Lucknow for one sole purpose. No one rides it, no one sits on it, and no one treats it like just another horse. In cities and villages across the world, Zuljana, which is commonly called Duldul, is oftentimes just a regular horse role playing for an event. But not here, not in Lucknow, where the Husainabad and Ally Trust purchases one specially as Duldul to partake in Nawabi era Shahi Julus and several majalis in the Muharram months. It is always white, eats chana boosi, choker, and jai on regular days, gets air coolers in summer and bonfires in winter in its room at the 19th century Imambara. The in charge for Duldul, Rizwan Hussain Sahab, says around Rs 10,000 a month is spent by Husainabad and Ally Trust on its food. Three people are assigned its duty. A hadiya fees of Rs 1,000 is happily paid by mourners per majlis for a visit by Duldul. And when Duldul visits people's homes, which is sometimes 8 homes a day during Muharram, he is fed chana dal, milk, and jalebis. An Iranian horse of the Nukra breed, the current Duldul at Chota Imambara was bought from the Deva Mela in Barabanki in 2014-15. Today, it is a 12-year-old royal horse who is said to have originally belonged to Prophet Muhammad and then gifted to his grandson Imam Hussain in his childhood. It was Zuljana who was with him during Karbala. Because Zuljana is Imam Hussein's, even when it was bought from the Mela, no one rode it to quality check. Instead, the staff ran and walked alongside it to make the required inferences. Even today, when the Duldul is to be taken for a julus or a majlis, the caretaker walks alongside it with full respect and devotion to both the animal and its master.